In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Mind Map with image. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a mind map, expand it quickly, make it easy to read, and share it with others. First, open Miro and create a new board. This gives you a blank canvas to work on. To add a mind map, you have two easy paths. The fastest is to open templates, search for mind map, and choose use template. This drops a ready-to-edit structure onto the board, which is great if you want a head start. If you prefer building from scratch, press the slash key on your keyboard, type mind map, and select it. Either way, you'll get the core node and the tools to add branches. Start by adding your central idea in the middle. Keep it short and specific, so every branch relates clearly to it. For example, you might type client workflow, content strategy, or YouTube growth. This central idea anchors everything else. Now add your main branches. With the central node selected, press tab to create a branch, then type your label. For a content strategy map, your top level branches might be content ideas, platforms, posting schedule, and tools. Keep these labels consistent so the structure feels balanced and scannable. To go deeper, press tab again on a selected branch to create sub-branches. Under content ideas, you could add tutorials, reels, and testimonials. Don't worry about perfection on the first pass. Just get ideas out quickly. You can refine later. Next, organize and rearrange. Drag nodes to adjust spacing and flow so nothing overlaps and the lines are easy to follow. Group related ideas near each other and leave a little breathing room so the map is readable at a glance. This is where your structure really starts to make sense. Customize the design to make it pop. Use different colors for categories to create instant visual grouping. Add icons or emojis to highlight key items, and adjust text size to emphasize what matters most. Small visual cues make large maps much easier to scan. If you want to turn ideas into action, convert items into a simple plan. For example, create 5 reels, schedule posts, or client follow-up. Keep task phrasing clear and measurable. You can also boost your brainstorming with Miro AI. Ask it to expand this mind map, add more content ideas, or turn this into a workflow. Use these suggestions as inspiration and keep what fits. Finally, share your mind map. Click share and send it to clients, your team, or even yourself for planning and review. That's it. Your mind map is ready to use.